What are you doing?
Well, man, hot dog, Fit Racegear came on board as a new sponsor, and we're doing new race suits. So they sent me this sheet that I needed to measure for the new suit, and it said take a tape measure. Well, that's a tape measure, and I was trying to get all these measurements.
Yeah, this is kind of what they meant, and it's a two-person job.
That might work a whole lot better. Let's try that. I did what they said. I got my outfit on, my Nomex and everything, so that I've got my Nomex. Since I wear a cool shirt, they're a little bulkier. I put the cool shirt on, so hopefully that'll adjust the measurements so that the suit fits right. Because what they told me is that measured exactly, and they would add the proper amount to make sure that it fit. So really, I guess we need to start with the chest. It says.
Yep. Start with the chest and go from there.
Well, one of the things that Fitz said we needed to do was measure from the chest first. And they said around the armpits. I did use some deodorant, by the way.
Oh, appreciate it. All right, well, on top of that, what they don't tell you is that you also need to, once you put it down, and you have to come to the center, like so, then you have to breathe in deeply. See how it's expanding? That way your race suit is not too tight. All right. So we're looking at 44 inches right there.
Excellent. We'll put that down. Well, hot dog next, they say we need to do the waist and then measure around the waist from where your belt line is. Well, I wear my belt right about here.
Yeah, well, I guess those both are going to have to suck it in, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to suck it way in. Go ahead.
I'd let it out for this one. That way they get the accurate measurement. All right, so pull it around close, like so, to the center. And we're looking at 40.5 inches.
Man, I am fat. Woo. All right, well, next is hips.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we need to do the hips next at the largest point. So for me, that's going to be here if they're not counting my gut.
No, they're not counting that. All right, so also you're going to want to go underneath the lines there. Make sure that you're not twisted with the tape itself. And yeah, 40.5 inches. Huh.
Wow, at least I'm consistent.
Yeah, just like your racing line.
All right, man. Well, the next one is the thighs. It says, remember to measure around the thighs just below the crotch. I'll go ahead and get my hoses out of the way for you.
Yeah, you do that. All right, so we're going to come around right here. Again, making sure the tape is not twisted. Get an accurate measurement. 22.5 inches.
All right, excellent. All right, hot dog, we got to do under the arm next. So it says measure around bicep. So let me get my guns out for you.
Ah, yeah.
Not bad for 60.
I mean, who's counting, right? So, we are, get this right here. 14 inches, a little shy of Hulk Hogan.
A little shy. All right, next one we got is the shoulder tips, which is measuring back of one shoulder to the tip of the other shoulder, so tip to tip on the shoulders.
All right.
Let me turn around here for you, make it easy.
Appreciate it. Tip on the shoulders. Looking at 19 inches.
All right. All right, man, we're moving down pretty good. Now we've got the shoulder to the wrist. So what they want us to do is measure from the back of the shoulder to the wrist bone. Okay. So I'll set up here for you.
Yep. Edge of the shoulder here. Go all the way down to the wrist bone, looking at 22 inches.
All right, man, we got neck to waist now. So measuring from the base of my neck to the middle of my belt line. So let me spin around here for you.
Now we're going to start from here. Go to about here. we are looking at 23 inches.
Alrighty. All right, the next one we've got is wrist to ankle, measuring from the belt line to the ankle bone. So we're going from here to here on their directions.
Okay. Let's see. Right here should be.
Yep.
No, actually a little lower. And then to the ankle bone itself, which is right here, looking at 31 inches.
All right, let me mark that down, 31 inches. All right, the last one we've got is the inseam. So we need to go from the top of the crotch down the inseam to the ankle bone. So I'll get these out of the way.
Yeah, I think I'll let you hold it.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Mrs. Gluck would probably prefer that.
Yeah. All right, down to the ankle bone, you said, right?
Yes.
And we are looking at 26 and a half.
26 and a half. All right, we'll mark that down. That actually was pretty painless. Looks like we got all the inches. The only thing left on the sheet is put my weight. You know, I'm a easy 140 pounds plus. My height at, I guess I got to tell the truth, don't I? Mm-hmm. All right, 5'7" and sex, male. The other things we'll need to do is let them know about the cool suit strap. They're going to custom put a hole in the suit for us.
Oh, good. Made better for access.
Yep. Well, Hot Dog, what do you think? You did a great job measuring.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Came out perfect.
Suit's really nice. They do a great job at fit. One of the things they do is they custom embroider all of your sponsors on there, no extra charge, as many as you have. So we've got all our sponsors and our series logos, the Trans Am and Pirelli, the SCCA Pro Racing, which is all required. And then we've got Freedom Coffee and the Gallant Few, Dark Horse Experimental Flight Test, the Patriot Challenge. Everything on the suit, they did a great job, no extra charge. The collar really fits good. They also put a stretch panel on each side and a stretch panel in the back, so when you're sitting down, the suit doesn't gather. And the great thing is they gave us this great pocket on the side for the Ultra Chill Cool Suit to plug in. Really good, all SFI 3.21A certified, multi-layer, fireproof. All it needs is,
don't forget your gloves.
A new set of gloves. FIT Fit Racing Gear also makes custom gloves, and they did this set in the colors for us. It fits like a glove. It's an awesome fit. He's got the anti-slip pads for the steering wheel. Just really a great set of racing gear. The other thing that they did for us that you look really good in, and we have Nick's, is custom shirts, lightweight for the guys. They match the suit, so you can have all your crew guys with the same logos and a really lightweight shirt for out at the track. So, hey, Nick, here's your shirt, ready for the next race. We really appreciate all the support from FIT Racegear, and they're a U.S. company right out of Philadelphia. Thanks, Jay.